welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Shah Commission indicts former CM Digambar Kamat, Mines Director, Forest Department, Union Environment Ministry, IBM and Pollution Control Board in illegal mining probe. Suggests stern action. BJP demands FIR against Digambar Kamat. Government may hand over the probe to the CBI. Vasco JMFC rejects narco analysis of terror suspect Afzal Khan. Afzal remanded to 5 days police custody. Madhe water dispute hearing begins. Goa demands stoppage of Kalsa Bandura project work. Court asks Karnataka government to file reply. Arguments on 8th October. Marathi film actor Sachit Patil and another customer apprehended in Lotus Beauty Saloon and Spa raid. Prostitution activities in guise of spa treatment exposed yet again. And Goa's under-19 cricketers gear up for new season. Age will not matter as promotion to Ranji level or India ranks will be performance-oriented, says Sudin Kamath. And now the news in detail. Justice M.B. Shah Commission has indicted former CM Digambar Kamat, Director of Mines, Pollution Control Board, Forest Department, Union Environment Ministry, Indian Bureau of Mines and Biological Diversity Council for illegal mining in Goa. Shah has suggested stern action against all. The report was tabled in Parliament on Friday. The report hints at loss of Rs 34,000 crores to the exchequer due to the illegality. Union Mines Ministry tabled Justice M.B. Shah Commission report in Parliament on Friday. The commission was inquiring into illegal mining in Goa. Shah has suggested strict action against following persons and agencies for allowing illegal mining. Action against whom? Former CM Digambar Kamat, then Director of Mines, officials of Mines Department, Forest Department of Goa, Union Ministry of Environment and Forest, Indian Bureau of Mines, Goa State Pollution Control Board, Biological Diversity Council. The report states that most of the illegalities took place post-2000. It mentions that many officers favored some deliberately and did not act against violations. It reveals the violations. Mines Department did not inspect mines for 5 years. Pollution Control Board did not act deliberately. MOEF allowed mines in buffer zones. 31 mines were allowed to run without ECs. 42 mines were permitted close to wildlife sanctuaries. Mines Department allowed illegal extraction of ore. Export of illegal ore was allowed. Mines Department acted against some mines selectively. No one kept check on adherence to rules and laws. The Commission has suggested certain actions so that such things don't get repeated. Stern legal action against the guilty, Committee under Mines Secretary, Committee to ensure adherence to laws. When we contacted Digambar Kamat, he refused to comment, stating that he hasn't read the report. On the other hand, BJP has come down heavily on the previous regime. The government may hand over the probe into illegal mining to the CBI.
दिगंबर कामत जो माइन्स मिनिस्टर तसेच मुख्यमंत्री ज्यांच्या नावाचो प्रत्यक्ष उल्लेख रिपोर्टात आसा तांचेर सरकारान तुरंत FIR फायल करचो अंडर सेक्शन 420, 120, 467, 468, 471, 13(1) A, B, C, D अंडर करप्शन हे पळय आज आमी मागतान जे रिकमेंडेशन्स केल्ली आसा ती पूर्ण रिकमेंडेशन्स कन्सिडर करची आनी इम्प्लिमेंट करची सगळी रिकमेंडेशन्स.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media. Vasco JMFC has rejected plea of police for narco analysis of terror suspect Afzal Khan. He has been remanded to 5 days police custody. Police had sought court's permission for Afzal's narco analysis, but Afzal denied that he had given an assent for the test. As per the Supreme Court judgment, narco analysis cannot be conducted on any accused without his consent. Suspected terrorist Afzal Khan was arrested by Verna police last month. He was produced before the Vasco JMFC on Friday. He has been remanded to 5 days police custody. Also, plea of police for his narco analysis has been rejected by the court as there was no consent of the accused for the narco analysis test.
कितले दीस रिमांड?
5 days रिमांड.
नार्को टेस्टाचे बीन कितें घेतला काय कितें?
Application dismissed केला.
Okay.
But we'll see what is the other option.
On Thursday, Madgaon Sessions Court had denied bail to Afzal. Afzal Iqbal Khan is suspected to have links with the terrorist outfits. Mumbai Anti-Terrorist Squad has already interrogated Afzal. Afzal was found in possession of 5 SIM cards registered with different names. He allegedly had hidden motives to have blasts in Goa at religious and touristic spots. This case will soon be handed over to the NIA by the Goa police. Surendra Madkekar for Prudent. Proceedings before the Madhe Water Dispute Tribunal finally began in Delhi. Following Goa government's plea to stop work on Karnataka's Khalsa Bandura project, the tribunal has asked the Karnataka government to file a reply within 8 days. Arguments on this plea will begin from 8th October. Goa government is of the opinion that the tribunal should immediately order Karnataka to stop Madhe project work and then decide on the water sharing dispute.
The Madhe Water Tribunal has been set up to resolve dispute between Karnataka, Goa and Maharashtra on sharing water from Madhe River. This is a 3-member tribunal. Though the centre had set up a tribunal almost 2 years back, centre could not accommodate the same. It's only after the intervention of the Supreme Court, centre has now accommodated the tribunal in place of Kaveri Tribunal. On Thursday, for the first time, councils from Goa and Karnataka appeared before the tribunal. Goa government has already filed an interim plea praying order to stop the Karnataka's Madhe project work immediately. Tribunal has asked the Karnataka government to file reply within 8 days. Arguments on this plea will be held on 8th of October. Meanwhile, Karnataka CM Jagdish Shettar has made it clear that Karnataka government will complete the work of Khalsa Bandura project at any cost. While speaking to media in Karnataka, he said that the government will make all efforts to strengthen Karnataka's case before the tribunal. This public and blunt statement by Karnataka CM shows that Karnataka is fully prepared for the battle and won't be an easy going for Goa. Our senior reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar for Prudent Media.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.